Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I want to add my voice about the victim protection, Mr. Speaker. In the Victim Protection Act, Section 8, it says that any victim has a right for privacy and protection. And therefore, because the proceedings here will be broadcasted, Mr. Speaker, I believe we have no choice but to follow the law and ensure that Section 8, Section 10, and Section 11, particularly on the issue of disclosing the identity of the victim, are taken care of. Mr. Speaker, on the matter of the two-third threshold, Mr. Speaker, this is a house of procedure. We are guided by procedure, and we have our standing order. Our standing order says on the procedure for removal of a governor, within 7 days after receiving notice of a resolution from the Speaker of the County Assembly supporting the removal of a governor, pursuant to Article 181, then the proceedings begin. Mr. Speaker, in that sense, why are we even debating this? There is no opportunity in our standing order where we are told, go back to the County Assembly and check if the threshold was met and check if the allegations were actually substituted. For us, we are quasi-judicial process. They have reached here. As long as we have the notice of resolution from the Speaker, from the County Assembly, our work is to proceed. And for those who feel that the threshold was not met, Mr. Speaker, they can go to court and proceed with that argument there. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Asige.